Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tasya Monica. Today I will explanation about my proposal. My title is The Relationship Between Student Activity in Watching English Film with Student Vocabulary Mastery. But 1. Introduction Background. Current technological development have had an impact on science and technology. Therefore, we need to prepare and strengthen ourselves in welcoming current technological advance, namely the ability to speak English properly and correctly. The requirement for having good English skill, namely having a vocabulary enough. With that, we need strategy to increase vocabulary by using English film media as a medium to increase student vocabulary. The implementation of this strategy is an innovative way to increase student success in understanding reading material. Therefore, researchers are interested in researching this method. Next, identification of problem. Number 1. Difficulty understanding the meaning of vocabulary and remembering new vocabulary. Next, the spelling or difficult sound tends to lead to error. Number 3. Long words that are difficult to pronounce and difficult to learn. 4. Many students experience difficulty in conveying understanding because students do not have enough vocabulary. And last, limited student vocabulary makes students lazy to learn English. Limitation of the problem. The researcher limits his study to the relationship between student activity watching English film with student vocabulary mastery. And for more specific result, the researcher decided to examine the use of English film in increasing student vocabulary. For more specific result, the researcher decided to test the use of English film in addition of student vocabulary. Formulation of problem. The researcher formulates to the problem to see the use of English language film media in increasing student vocabulary. Purpose of problem. Number 1, to find out how far the influence of English language film media has on student vocabulary mastery. Number 2, how it relates to student activity in watching English language film in increasing student vocabulary skill. Research question. What is the relationship between student activity in watching English film increasing student vocabulary? Next, significance of the problem. Number 1, English student. The result of this study are expected to be additional information for what students have learned from English subject and motivate students to increase their vocabulary. Number 2, the readers. The result of the studies serve as guideline for reader to motivate reader to use English language film media in adding vocabulary. Number 3, the researcher find out about the effectiveness of the use of English language film media in adding to student vocabulary and will also increase the knowledge of researcher in using media as a learning medium and complete the final acts of the researcher. Hypothesis. Is there a significant relationship between student activity in watching English film with student vocabulary mastery? Number 2, there is no significant relationship between student activity in watching English film with student vocabulary mastery. Definition of key term. Number 1, vocabulary mastery is the first basis from learning and understanding English. Good vocabulary learners make you speak fluency and accurately, write easily, understand what is read when they have a good vocabulary. Number 2, English language film are medium for increasing student vocabulary in English. Students can easily understand the meaning in the text. English language films have their own charm in increasing student vocabulary. Number 3, student activity in watching English film with student vocabulary mastery. The activity of watching English film is not only to add entertainment for students but can also increase student vocabulary mastery so as to improve their English language skill. Bab 2, review of literature. Review of related literature. A student vocabulary mastery. Vocabulary mastery is the student ability to memorize vocabulary so that students are able to use vocabulary as a tool for communication. Therefore, vocabulary mastery strategy for students are very important, especially in memorizing vocabulary because vocabulary is key in learning, according Zihong 2018. Number 1. Student obstacle in mastering vocabulary. In learning language, English students experience many difficulty in conveying understanding because students do not have enough vocabulary. Students perceive English as a foreign language because they do not use it in everyday life to communication, according Mandasari dan Octaviani 2018. Number 2. Teacher strategy to improve student vocabulary. Learning strategy are the most important thing for the teacher because teacher must be able to make learning more successful, independent, and fun for students so that students are not lazy and bored in learning, especially in adding vocabulary and also providing opportunity for students to increase their vocabulary knowledge in their own way, with strategy that suit their own learning style. Students enjoy the learning process more quickly so that students are rich in vocabulary, according Zihong 2018. B. Student activity watching English film with student vocabulary mastery. From the habit of watching movies, students easily add to their vocabulary because the combination of picture and sound that obviously what makes them learn while having fun with it. Students find learning English much more interesting. The habit of watching movie helps to create a good language environment. At the same time, they have the opportunity to reach their new vocabulary with correct use. Number 1. The advantage of English film on student English. The advantage of watching film for students is that students are more comfortable learning because film are video visual aids that contain image and sound so that students can hear and see clearly, so that students easily understand the meaning in the text, according Web 2010. Number C. The influence of English film with student vocabulary mastery. English language film have a positive influence on student learning. English language film create a real environment for students with pictures, sounds, and scan that makes students excited, so that film increase student interest in learning and deepen their vocabulary. With English language film can change student learning attitude, increasing vocabulary development and student English fluency, according Jing 2016. Previous related research. Previous research was carried out by Eva and Mira. This research did not give anything to students. There was no previous explanation and only give tests to students. The current result provide questionnaire and test vocabulary to students where research is more focused on film as a strategy to increase student vocabulary. Conceptual framework. This case, students experience difficulty in communicating and students are lazy to learn because of limited vocabulary. Teacher strategy with using film and student activity and watching English film and the result student vocabulary mastery. Bab 3. Research method. Research design. In this study, researcher used a quantitative approach with the correlation analysis method. The correlation method is most appropriate for this study because it used two variables to determine the relationship between student activity of watching film in English with student vocabulary mastery. Population and sample. In this research, the researcher examined class 10 students of MTSN 5 Solo Selatan as a population which consisted of 3 classes A, B, and C with a different number of students in each class. Class A with 28 students, Class B with 13 students, and C as many 26 students. The total population is 18,500 students. In this study, the researcher chose a sampling technique, namely random sampling. This technique takes sample randomly and each member of the population has the same opportunity to be taken. In selecting a sample, the researcher selects a class by affixing the class name 10A, 10B, and 10C on a small sheet of paper. The paper was rolled up and mixed in a box. Then the researcher took one sheet of paper, then got class 10C with 26 students as the sample class. Instrument of research. In this study, researchers used questionnaire and tests on students to collect the data. Okay, next, technique of data analysis. Number 1, questionnaire. The total item of the questionnaire are 10 items. Each item of the instrument had 4 possible answers to are always A, often B, sometimes C, and never D. In this questionnaire, the responder only need to give a checklist on the provided space. Number 2, test. The researcher measures student vocabulary by giving students the opportunity to watch an English film with the title Madagascar. While watching, students paid attention to conversation in the film so that students could answer vocabulary test mastery test later. Technique of data analysis. Technique of data analysis. After the collecting the data, the researcher analyzed it. There were 2 types of data that were analyzed by the researcher, namely the student activity questionnaire in watching English film and the student vocabulary test. Data analysis in this study used a quantitative analysis test, which static calculation to test hypothesis. Okay, that's all material. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.